Good afternoon, my name is Benjamin Patchen and I'm coming at you today from MarineMax Stuart. I'm excited to show you the 2021 Boston Whaler 13 Super Sport. Boston Whaler is known as the unsinkable legend. Very safe boat. Also, everywhere in this boat you're sitting, you've got these interior grab rails, also adding to the safety. Another nice feature of this boat is the power matched Mercury 40. It's the perfect balance for optimum efficiency and boat performance. Another nice feature of this boat is it'll hold up to 4 people safely and comfortably. Something else that you might find as a benefit also is that this boat comes with a trailer for ease of popping it in and out locally and maybe throwing it in your garage if storage is a problem, or also for taking down the keys for trips. Once again, my name is Benjamin Patchen. I want to thank you for watching our video today on the 2021 exciting Boston Whaler 13 Super Sport.